Please introduce yourself. Can you tell me about yourself? Now, these are the common questions that you hear during interviews. Where else do we hear them? Well, if you get admission in a school or college, there is a chance that your teachers or lecturers ask you this question. Okay, as we can see it obviously, that this question should be answered by us effortlessly without any hesitation. It's because what we are going to say is about ourselves. Then, how can you introduce yourself without hesitation? Let's talk about it in this video. Okay, I know you are excited about the main part of the video, but I think what I'm sharing now is equally important. So, please do not skip any part of the video. Watch it completely. In this video, we are going to discuss how to introduce yourself in the context of a school or college. The same can be used in an interview, but with a few additions. You might include your qualifications, skills, and work experience during a real interview. Let me tell you that this is not about an interview. You are in a school or a college. Shall we begin? So we have to begin our introduction with greeting people. You can say good morning or good afternoon or good evening depending on the time of the day. And then you can say your name. Like you can say my name is, or you can say I am, but never try to say myself and the name. Don't use myself. Say my name or I am. And you can mention your place, the place where you live. You can say, I am from, like I am from Ongole, or you can say, I belong to Ongole, or you can say, I live in Ongole. So, I am from, I live in, I belong to. Anything is okay. And then you can talk about your family members. Of course, you can leave out this part, but it's always good to talk about your mother and father, or your brother and sister. So talk about your family members. You can say, my father is, my mother is, like my father is a businessman. My mother is a housewife. And if you have a brother or sister, you can mention. And you can say whether they are younger or elder. And then you can talk about what you are studying. Like you can say, I am in class 7 now. I am in grade 10 now. I am in class 10 now. Anything is okay. And then you can talk about your hobbies before you finish your introduction. You can say the usual phrase, my hobbies are, or you can say, I like, or you can even say, I love if you are very much into something. I love, you can say, I love doing this. I love reading books, or I love going swimming. Or you can also say, I enjoy reading books. I enjoy going swimming. Okay, first we'll watch 2 short introductions where students introduce themselves very quickly. They just talk about the very basic things about themselves. Okay, let's watch them now.
Good morning everyone, my name is Vai Vishnu. I am from Mongol. I am studying 10th standard and I love reading English stories. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Balaji and I am from Ongole. I am studying 10th class. I love reading scientific theories. Thank you.
Okay, I hope you like them. Now let's watch 3 more in which the students elaborate on the details about them. They talk about their goals too this time. Let's watch them now.
Good morning everyone. Today I am here before you to introduce myself. I am Akshaya. I was born and brought up in Ongole. I am from a nuclear family. My dad is a mathematics teacher and my mom is a housewife. I have a young brother who is studying 6th class now. My parents encouraged me in my education. I am studying 10th class now and wish to have further education. My hobbies are reading books and listening to music. I am self-motivated and emotional too. I am a hardcore realist and do not believe in luck or fate. My goal is to serve the nation until my last breath. That's all about me. Thank you very much.
Good morning, I am Pedredi Himasri. I am studying in Nirna Olympiad High School. I was born in Ongole and brought up in Bangalore. My father is a politician and a businessman. My mother is a housewife. I have a sister who is younger to me. My hobbies are dancing, listening to music, and reading books. I would like to become a good civil servant to serve my motherland. I put in all my efforts to reach my goals. Thank you.
Good morning. Today I am here to introduce myself. I am Lasia from Ongole. My mother is a dietitian and lecturer. My father is a businessman. I have an elder sister. I am studying grade 10 and my aim is to become a doctor. My mother is my inspiration. My parents will be always there in every part of my life and encourage me in my studies. My hobbies are horse riding, playing volleyball and shuttle, and reading books. Thank you.
Okay, that's it. I hope you like my presentation on how to introduce yourself. Remember, language is important, but how confidently you present yourself is more important than the language you use. I believe that this video has really helped you. Thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.